How much is the flat knitting machine each? Changhua, a professional manufacturer of flat knitting machine equipment, will let you know. This is one system 52-inch flat knitting machine. This one is 24-gauge 3-system knitting machine. They are so different and the capacity is also not the same. So of course, the price is different. Share the products you want to make and the yarn composition and thickness. We will customize the most suitable flat knitting machine solution for you.